Dear friends, welcome to this course on basics of banking. I'm Raja presenting this course for you. Let's get into the introduction of banking. Why banking? Banking is required because banking is considered as nerve center of trade, commerce and business in a country. It plays very important role in distributing the money for development of the industry, trade and commerce. So we also say banking is a lifeblood of modern commerce. So bankers are not only dealers in money, they are also leaders in economic development. So let us appreciate and understand the banking by looking into the need for banking. Why we need a banking? Why a sound banking system is necessary? It is necessary to achieve many objectives. Number one is savings and capital formation because bank plays a vital role in mobilizing the savings of people and promoting the capital formation for the economic development of the country. The money which is getting locked with the people in their own hands is brought into the economy. So the banks channelizes the money which is locked in people's hands or people home to the country so that a capital formation takes place and there are some economic development. Number two, the banking system helps in channelizing these savings because the mobilized savings are allocated by the banks for development of various fields such as agriculture, industry, communication, transport, and so on. The third reason for banking is for implementing the monetary policy. A well-developed banking system can easily implement the monetary policy because the development of the economy depends upon the control of the credit given by the banks. If the bank gives liberal credit, there will be an effect on economy. If the bank tightens the credit, there will be an effect on economy. Credit is nothing but the loans given under certain terms and conditions. So bank plays a crucial role in implementing the monetary policy. So banks are necessary for effective implementation of monetary policy. The fourth reason why we need banking is to encourage the industries. Banks provide various types of financial services like granting cash credit loans, issuing letter of credit, bill discounting. So this encourages the development of various industries in the country. The fifth need for banking is regional development. The banks, by transferring their surplus money from the developed regions to the less developed region, they reduces the regional imbalances. The banks mobilizes the money from developed portion of the country and they take it to the undeveloped or underdeveloped regions so that they can also develop. The fifth reason is what we have seen, and the sixth reason is development of agriculture and other neglected areas. Banks are necessary for farmers. So banks actually encourages the development of small scale and cottage industries in rural areas as well. So in this way we can say there are 5 to 6 reasons or 6 needs for banking. Let us see what is bank or what is the exact meaning of bank in the next video. There are different kinds of banks. Banks can be classified on the basis of their function, then on the basis of ownership, then on the basis of schedules of the regulatory bank. In India, the regulatory bank is Reserve Bank of India. So the banks can be classified in 3 categories like functions, ownership, and schedules. Let's see what are the classifications under functions. Under functions, banks can be classified into 5 types. Number one is commercial banks, then comes industrial banks. The third classification is regional rural banks, fourth exchange banks, and fifth central banks. So on the basis of function, we can classify the banks into these 5 categories. On the basis of ownership, we can classify the banks into 3 categories. Number one is public sector banks, 2 private sector banks, and 3 cooperative banks. Then on the basis of schedule, we can classify the banks into two categories. One is scheduled bank, the other one is non-scheduled banks.